Hey guys, I'm Sayan Gupta and I am 10 years old. I'm the founder of linuxforthekids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please press that subscribe button because you will get JavaScript content daily on this channel. So without any delay, let's get started. So today we are gonna learn the concept of for loops. I am going to Google Chrome. This is the web browser I use, but you can use any web browser you like. Okay, so then I will make a project using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and I will name this for loops YouTube. You can name it anything you like. Okay, so like there are three types of for loops: a normal for that we use, for in and for off. So like I will do a task using for in, and then I will do it using for normal for, and then I will do a task using for off, and I will do it using normal for too. Okay, so I will show you both the ways. So I will make a variable called array is equals to in this I will give Fortran, Python, C++, JavaScript, and assembly. Okay, so I made an array of programming languages. Then I will do for x in ARR. So let's see what in does. In loops through the index of the ARR. Okay, so like document dot write, I will do over here x. So let's see what is its output. So like it loops through the index, that's why it is giving the index of every element in the array. So it is giving the index. Okay, so over here I will do document dot write br. So those of you who do not know what is br puts everything into a new line. Then I will do the same foreign thing with a normal for. So for variable x is equals to 0, x less than array dot length, and then x plus plus, and then I will just document dot write that I. So like it will be the same output because the normal for loops through the index 2 by default. Okay, so I is not I, x. So a normal for also loops through the index, so it will be the same output. So now I will tell you for off. So let's see what is for off now. For off is like in for in we loop through the index, but in for off we loop through the value in the array. So it will like if we do this in instead of in, if we did off over here and then document dot write x, so it will print out Fortran, Python, C++, JavaScript, assembly. Okay, so I'm just showing you how to do this with for of. For of makes it really easy. So for x of array, for x of array, then document dot write, I'll do x and just run this. So you see that what are we doing. So if you want it more clear, I'll just add a empty space between them, so that there's some spacing. Yeah, so there is some spacing now, it's looking good. So you see the for of loops through the value in the array, but for in loops through the index in the array. Okay, so like Fortin's index, this Fortin's index is 0, so it is looping through the index, but it is now in for of it is looping through Fortin. So like it will print out if we document dot write x, so it will show Fortran. Okay, I hope you can understand my point. So I'll just do document dot write dr, as you know we do this, and now I will do this with normal for. So for x variable x is equal to 0, x less than array dot length, and then x plus plus document dot write, I'll do over here, I'll do array x plus empty string. Okay, so you see over here that we have, so like you see the same output. So like this is the summary, that for in loops through the index, so we are printing the index over here. Okay, so if you wanted the value using for in, then you could have just done array x over here. Oh, okay, but I don't want the value, I want its index. So for in makes easy to get the index. So like for in and for the normal for, there is much no difference, but this for in this for in we have to write less syntax than the normal for. So like if you are type of lazy and you want stuff like this to happen, then you can use for in. And with the normal for I have just done it. Okay, and you must be knowing how do we do it with the normal for. I just show you, I just compared. Okay, and now over here I am doing for of. So this for of is making our work really easy. Rather to do array x, it is bringing the value from, like it is predefined. We have to do array x plus empty string. We just have to do over here x plus empty string over here, a space with string. So like this of helps us get the value easily, but this normal for we have to do array x, because this x, yeah, sorry, my Alexa started to speak. Okay, so like here we have to do array x. Okay, so like because this brings the index, the normal for brings the index, as I told you before, and then in array x, so like array 0, so it's 14, then it will print. So thank you guys, I hope you like my video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Bye.